Hello world! Today we will be covering the multifunction campers tool. You can find this tool on Swampskeeter, and it's a nice little multi-tool knife. This case can clip onto your belt, making it easy to carry around with you. And on the actual knife, that's the wrong way, the actual knife, you have pliers, which work pretty well. And then on this side, you have a cross between a ruler, a fish scaler, and a file. You have a flathead screwdriver. I can't get it out. There we go. Okay, you have a Phillips head screwdriver, a bottle opener, and then on this side, we have a can opener, another different sized flathead screwdriver, a small knife, and a larger knife. So you can use this tool for a lot of things, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.